morning, one and all. As Ami Soglana is Ami Somlelasa, we all come together on a beautiful Sunday, which is a wet Sunday with some nice sun today, and we are here with all the DJYM, Bharatiya Janata Youth Morcha, along with in association with Protect Club. And you can see all the youth gathered from Aldana constituency, Mapsa constituency, with a very great initiative. And here with us we have our Sarpanch of Basora. We have a Sarpanch of Basora, Moruskar is there. We have Sangam Mapsekar, who has taken as a youth along with Savani, Saili and all the youth. Now, all of them have gathered here today. We are here because the range forest officer, Mr. Naik, who is from the forest department, given a lot of plants. We have with us Frankie Carvalho. We have our ZP Manisha Naik, and all the members who are gathered here. First and foremost, today is a happy friendship day and a very, very lovely day for this Sunday, blessed Sunday. Today the initiative taken by the youth, I really congratulate them. And for that I would also like to thank Ita Rani, who is the chairperson of the forest as well as department, and also Honorable Health Minister, also Forest Minister, Mr. Honorable Minister, Mr. Rajat Rani. I thank him for all his support, and today this initiative that we have taken is just to save, to keep Aldana green, and especially we are having this program today to keep green and clean. See, the main mudda that today we are planting all these plants, which are actually special plants, only which can be put on the divide, highway divide. And we kita kalta zara. Aga as of course first some of the maintenance kota the law budget for maintenance kota budget the important family product with the support with some corporate leaders, make sure during the hot season we will somehow trend water the plant. Also all the groups are very active, very dynamic of us, a very Sangam and full team. So we'll make sure that we plant in the oldies Adugurus and the highway sir. Okay, and highways are kita zara matuku mein anne kita light fracture to blind, you get blinded. So this is a very important thing where the plant should be taken care of. In the Burgia Kosha, someone who Lamaja might dream Gorbaja, and they will avoid a lot of accidents and keep the place beautiful. So we have taken this program, the youth, along with the youth, that the youth program today to plant from this place very right up to the junction down there further. And we'll also take a further program and make sure that we try to go up Guinea, whatever. And my request to all the youth, today youth are the pillars of our nation, and I'm happy. I'm proud of all the youth that have gathered. Being a Sunday, they've all gathered here today, and I request all the youth of God to take various programs, and it's important because if the youth is active, everything goes. And when you see youth, the girls are there, the boys are there, and our support is always, the government support is always there. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant is always, he is also young, dynamic, and is very cooperative, along with all the ministers of Vishwajit Rani, as I have already mentioned. So let us take this program and ensure that we keep ordering different presence in Aldana constituency, and let us give an example to all the other constituencies that yes, the youth is active, and let that all the youth which are also active should take things forward. Thank you very much.
आज आमी हांगा ट्री प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम करपाक जमल्या. एक पेड मार्किना अशें मोदी सरान जे हें केलां तें आमी हांगा सक्सेस करता. आनी हे जो रोड डिवायडर जो प्लांटेशन घेतला हो बरें कॉन्सेप्ट आहा, ब्युटिफाय करपाचो आनी ब्युटी एक सांबाळून दवरपाची जी कॉन्सेप्ट आसा तो खरोच बरो आसा. असो हांगाच न्ही, ज्या जाग्यार जी खाली जे जागो आसा ते तुमी लाया. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक कितें जाय सपोर्ट जाय ते आमी दिता, पण ते फुडल्या जे आफ्टर प्लांटींग जे आसा ते मेंटेनन्स आहा तो मेन कॉन्सेप्ट, तो मेन जे सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय. तो लायली झाडां लायली मागीर कांयच ते मेंटेन करता की मेंटेनन्स जे आहा ते मातशें दवरा, मेंटेन करा. आनी सगळ्या लोकांक सांगता की वर्सान वर्स एक तरी झाड लाया. ह्या वर्सा लायले फुडल्या वर्सा लायना अशें न्ही, वर्सान वर्स लाया. ते सांबाळून दवरया. पर्यावरण जो नेचर आहा तो सांबाळून दवरा. पण इतको पावस पडून जो अजून आमचो गरमी जाता कशी गरमी जाता कित्याक लागून ह्या लक्षांत दवरा. आनी म्हाजें एक तुमकां एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की वर्सान वर्स आपल्या भुरग्यांक सांगा की बाबा वर्सान वर्स जे पर्यावरण नेचर ते सांबाळून दवरा आनी जी ही झाडां झाडां बी आमकां ग्रिनरी दिसता ही जाणट्या आमच्या नेण्ट्यांनी जी सांबाळून दवरली आहा ती आमी आतां दवरल्या फुडें तुमी दवरा अशें सांगा तांकां आनी हे सांगता सरांक एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की हो फूल पॅच लावपाक तुमी फुडाकार घेतला तो बरो गोश्ट पण आनी खंय तरी आसा लाया आनी आमी आमचे कडेन कितें हेल्प जाय ते आमी दितले पण मेंटेनन्स पार्ट मातसो तुमी पळयात तें थँक्यू.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. आम्ही आज अवजाना BJY BJP मंडळ आमचे रोटेक क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा, लिओ क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा, आमचे फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर मिस्टर निलेश नायक आमच्या बरोबर आसा आणि आज आयतार टुडे इज कन्सिडर्ड अ फ्रेंडशिप डे, फर्स्ट संडे ऑफ ऑगस्ट, and we have gathered to celebrate the friendship day with nature. So आयचे आमचे जमा जावपाचे reason म्हणजे we are going to plant 150 plants along the highway divider of towards Madam Junction. And आमच्याकडे right now we have around 50+ volunteers from all Mapsa, Moira and Algona constituency. हांव मागता सगळ्यांक की take this as an inspiration and continue such drives in all your villages also, because we know that nature and plants are our best friends. So to nurture that, we are having this drive. Following this maintenance, we are going to write a letter to the forest department, as Nilesh sir has confirmed that the maintenance will be taken care by forest department. I thank them in advance, because planting the trees is the first part, but maintenance of the plants is very, very important. So for assuring that, Nilesh sir has given us the assurance. So I would like to welcome all today. आणि इथेच आम्ही झाडं लावत राहतो. ग्लेन सुद्धा टिकलो is the ex-MLA of Algona, so I would like him to speak some words about it.
I am Director Sanjeev Naglekar from Rotary Club of Mapsa. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for this wonderful initiative. आम्ही youth पहिला इथे आम्ही initiative घेऊन आहे planting, but we as a youth should come up and plant the trees, because youth are the new future, and it's our duty and our responsibility to conserve nature and help the society. Thank you so much, everyone.